Howdy guys, in today's video of FlexiSTARTER, we're going to be looking at the Margins tab on the Design Central panel. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we have daily updates. Otherwise, back in the program here. Now, just a reminder, this is a mini series on the Design Central or Design Central panel. And then today we're going to be looking at the Margins tab, which is for the document's properties. So I will also leave relevant links in the description so you guys can follow along. And yeah, as you can remember in the previous video, if you've watched it, we covered the document properties. So today we're going to look at the Margins tab. And then first of all, to make sure you can locate it, seeing that the Design Central works according to whatever you have selected. What we want to do is select anywhere on the white space. Then you'll see it takes us to our document tab or document properties. We can also locate this by going to our main menu on top. Then we go to File, and we navigate down until we find Document Setup. Control B is the shortcut key. It should take us to the same place. Now, so now if we go to our Design Central, obviously if this is not open, which unfortunately I have to add to most of the videos just in case, you can always find it here next to your undo and redo. There's a little button there. Just click that and it'll open it for you. But otherwise, back to the margins. So obviously the margin is it's a nice way to set kind of a bleed area for your design. So if anything goes, you have some room for errors before it hits the trim line. So now this is common in printing and so forth. So in order to do that, you can obviously just adjust these parameters, and then you can see the little blue lines come up showing you where your bleed line is. So this helps if you want to kind of stay within a certain area as well while you're designing, so you don't actually go too close to the border, and then in your final print some of the graphics might be cut out. So in general, it's a good practice to work with a bit of a bleed line or the margins. You can see according to each project or according to your printer and cutter what works best for you. In my case, I'll just leave it 0.2 of an inch. And then so nice thing about the margins as well is you can make objects snap to it, so it doesn't easily go past. So if I select, just grab this rectangle and make a copy of it. But in order for this to work, unfortunately, you have to go to View. By default, I think it should be on, but otherwise I'll quickly just show you. So we go View, and we want to navigate till we find Snap. Then we might want to make sure Snap to Guide is selected. The moment mine is. So then what will happen, if I had to scale this to the edge, you'll see it snaps to it. So that way, if you want to use it as a part of your design, like let's say you want to put a background or something like that, you can always use that. Keep in mind, if you're moving, it's not going to necessarily snap it. So, but if you are for some reason designing and you're working and it keeps wanting to snap there like a magnet, it's rather annoying, then you can always go to View, Snap, and then we just deselect that. Then while you're designing, you can see I can get very close and it won't snap it at all. But if for some reason you want to use the margins as part of your design to, like I said, a form of a border or something like that, you can always use your snap to guides on. Otherwise, that is it on the margins tab. If we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we have a variety of different softwares we do cover, and also we have this little search option, so you can always type in what you're looking for, hit the little magnifying glass button, then it will try to find that video for you. But if you still run dry and it get no result, you can always go here, request a training video, then we will make that video for you. Otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.